Welcome to this video on proving trigonometric identity, and the identity here that is underlined by a green marker shows as follows. Tangent squared x minus cosine squared x is equal to 1 divided by cosine squared x, take away 1 minus cosine squared x. So before we start showing it, we will have to recall the following basic identities that will be used in this proof. So what you see marked here by the red marker, we have tangent x identity is equal to sine x over cosine x. When you squared tangent x, so you have tangent squared x, and now you would have to square the opposite side, so sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. So this is the second one that we will be using in the process. And finally, the Pythagorean identity where sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So those are the three identities that will be used in the process. So the left-hand side has tangent and cosine ratio. The opposite side has only cosine ratio. So this is why the choice here is to start with the side that has more in it. So from the left hand side now, left side, we'll begin the proof. So traditionally you do copy the left hand side or the side that you start with. So tangent x squared minus cosine squared, and in the next step immediately we will replace tangent squared x with the ratio sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. So this is why we have that here and in red. So tangent squared x, sine squared over cosine, is being replaced immediately. And then you copy cosine squared x. Now in the next step, what we have is conversion of sine squared x into 1 minus cosine squared x. So this is why we have this Pythagorean identity. So sine squared x is 1, take away cosine squared x. So that's the next step. We're almost there. As you can see, now we have been able to convert tangent squared x into cosine type of function. So all across we see cosine squared x function. In the next step below, what we will do, we are going to split this rational expression into two. We have common denominator cosine squared x, so 1 over cosine squared x. So 1 over cosine squared x. This is a little exponent. Maybe I should change because it looks messy. Okay, so 1 divided by cosine squared x. So the second part you will have minus cosine squared x divided by cosine squared x, because this is what the denominator is. And take away the last part, cosine squared x. So we're almost there. So now, as you can see, cosine squared x divided by itself is just 1. So this over that is 1. So the first term stays unchanged, 1 over cosine squared x minus 1 and minus cosine squared x. So what you see now here is that we have achieved exactly the same statement as it is indicated on the right hand side. So starting from the left hand side, we are able to conclude that this is equal to right-hand side. So final statement, therefore, left side is equal to the right side, which completes the proof. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. In the next video, there is one more question where we will be showing the proof on trigonometric identity. Thank you for your time, and I see you again.